Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the logo of your workspaces on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Smartsheet, log into your account and navigate from the home section to the browse feature here on the left panel. And here guys, expand the workspaces list to the left, and here to the right you will also see all workspaces listed in your account. So what you want to do is simply right click into the given workspace and select workspace and color settings or logo settings, and from here simply guys click into select, locate the file in JPEG or PNG on your device, upload it, and that's basically it. Remember though that the file size must have PNG, GIF or JPEG file format and must not have more than 2 MB file size. And after that, simply click into save here. You may also reset to standard or to the default logo if you like by clicking into this button, and that should do it guys. As you can see, the settings have been saved and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.